up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. It is my March Stitch Fix. It's my first one of the month. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's a $20 styling fee and you get 5 items. You can get shoes, purses, clothing, jewelry, scarves, jackets. Amazing. I love Stitch Fix. So if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe and just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna open the box. I didn't pre-open it this time. So we're gonna see what's in there. All right, so what you get in the box is your return bag, your price sheet, and if I bought all 5, it would only be $168 total. And my stylist name is Katie. All right, so let's get into the bundle. Here it is. Looks good. Looks like spring colors. Looks like stuff I would definitely wear. Okay, so first item we have here are some really cute jeans. Love Judy Blue. They are light wash, and I love this wash. It has a little bit of distressing and super stretchy. They are the Judy Blue Madeline Distressed Skinny Jean. There's a little bit of distressing on the back, nothing on the legs in the back. Oh, I do like this because it has distressing a little bit down the leg. So that's really nice. Next we have here our pair of shorts. And I do like these. These are Just USA. I actually wanted these last year and they never sent them to me, and they're button up and they're fray hem. Do love that on the side. A little bit of distressing on the pocket. We'll see how these fit. These are cute. I really like these. So we'll see what I feel about how they fit. Next item we have here is a long cardigan. It's cut up the side, and that's one thing I do not like, but I can always sew it if I do like this. So it is a light gray. There are no pockets. It just looks like 3/4 length sleeve or long sleeves. I'm not sure. So we shall see. This, oh, I didn't read what the shorts were. So the shorts were Just USA Graceland Distressed Denim Short. So after each item I try it on, you'll see a picture of it. So if you want these shorts or these items, you can get them and ask your stylist. Next is the Emery Park Rue Brushed Knit Duster Cardigan in gray. So that's really nice as well. Next top, oh, this pink is pretty. Okay, so here's the top. It has a little kind of twist here, and at the bottom it is gathered. There's like a strip. I do like that. I like light pink. I do like light colors. This is the Emery Park Rue Brush Knit Duster Cardigan. Oh no, that's not it. I just read the cardigan again. This is the Pink Clover Paint and Twist Back Detail Knit Top in light pink. Super cute. Love this a lot. Next we have here is just like a little t-shirt. This looks really small, but it says good vibes on it and has mountains. Looks like 3/4 length sleeve. And this is by Hiatus. This is the Faitha Graphic Knit Top in black, size extra small. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on and then come back and let you guys know prices and let you know what I decided to keep. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so first item we have here is this top. I do like the color. I do like how it lays. It is really cute. If you look in the back, you can see the twist. I do like that. Long sleeves, just a plain nice top. Let me see if I turn the light on, you could see it a little bit better. Yeah, so here it is. Super cute. I do like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think. It is really nice for spring, the colors, and I do like the fit, but it is a tiny bit too big for me, but it is really pretty. Okay, so next we have are the jeans. I'm so upset because these are way too big in the back, but they fit so nice. They're so comfortable. I wish they had them in a size smaller. I'm gonna see if I can find these Judy Blues somewhere else if they don't have a 24, but I absolutely love them. They are so comfortable and I wish they were a smaller size because these are just a tad bit too big and a little bit too long. They're like really bunchy right here, but I do like these a lot. I'm so upset. So upset. They're so comfortable. So I'll see if I can find them elsewhere or if they have a smaller size. Okay, so I have the last 3 items on in the box. So the first item is this cardigan. It is adorable, super cute. Only thing I don't like is the slit up the side. So unfortunately, because it has the slit, I'm gonna pass on it. Depending on the price. If it's super cheap, then I'll purchase it because I do have to do some sewing. But yeah, I mean, this box is great so far. I do love everything that I got. So let's check out the top and then the shorts. Okay, so next is this top that says good vibes only. It's a 3/4 length sleeve and it's a shorter top. It fits really nice with this outfit and I do like it a lot. It is super soft, but it is a little bit small on me. But it does go really well with the shorts. So very cute. Okay, so last but not least is the shorts. These, I wanted them all last year and I could never get them from my stylist. And I absolutely love these and I am going to purchase them because they fit me amazing. I love the button up and there's room to grow or it could tighten up. And I like it's like high up here and low in the back to cover the back here. There's a little bit of distressing here, there, and I love the buttons. So these are a definite winner. I'm just praying that they're cheaper. And don't mind the white legs because it is just coming off winter here in Pennsylvania. So, all right, so I'm gonna come back and let you guys know what I decided to keep. So just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back. So first item is this Good Vibes Only top. And this was, who's this by? Okay, so this was $38. I'm gonna be sending it back because I can probably purchase something like that at Target. So I am going to pass on that. This item, the shorts, I absolutely love these. I will be keeping these and these were $44, well worth it. This summer I'll get a ton of use out of these, so they are keepers. Next we have is this cardigan and it is $44. I'm gonna be sending it back because it did have the slits and I'm gonna let her know that I don't like cardigans with the slits, but that was a good choice. Next we have is this pink clover top with the crisscross on the back. I do like this, but it's $38, so I am going to be sending it back. It's just not something I would definitely get any use out. Next is the jeans. They're $60, and I'm going to see if I can find these in a smaller size, either if they have them or if I can find them somewhere else. I would love to get these. They are $60, so the total for my box was $244, buy all 5 discount, $56, $168. So I'm gonna get the shorts because I know this summer I'll get a ton of use out of them, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to be doing more of the Stitch Fix unboxings, and I'm also going to be doing other videos, and just keep on watching, and I appreciate you guys, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.